Drafts laws and policies, then shape our society and protect citizens' rights through elected representatives. It amplifies the people's voice, fostering democracy and ensuring that their interest remains at all the forefront of governance decisions. By holding the government accountable and facilitating public feedback, the National Assembly upholds transparency and accountability. As we gather in this governance forum, let us acknowledge the indispensable role of the National Assembly in shaping our nation's destiny by upholding the principle of good governance. We empower our legislative body to become a stronger force for positive change, progress, prosperity for all Pakistanis.